A deep breath. What's so funny? What? Oh, you're next. You're next, little sis.
Once in a while, I can't help my little cackle.
Yeah.
Hey!
You want to make a little gorilla noise? We're a family of gorillas. So you guys see where I get the sounds from, right? Okay. We're a family of animal sounds. I'll just be hanging out in the kitchen, and Mama Mori will be making some coffee, and little sis will just be typing on the computer, and like someone will just be like, and then somebody else will be and suddenly it's just gorillas everywhere. Makes sense. See, I know you guys know this. You guys know me well. You know.
And those are the best memories, is family, being together.
Yeah, making gorilla noises in the kitchen.
And cooking.
Yeah.